Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at what it takes to do high-performance video distribution right. We're going to be focusing on one key piece of hardware, the Blustream PRO-OUT2H-V2. It's a 2-out HDMI 2.0 board.
That's right. In this card, it's really the heart of a custom Pro Matrix hub. Its whole job is to take whatever you're plugging in and get it to two different displays independently. So our mission really is to decode what the specs mean for you.
Okay, let's jump right in then. It's an HDMI 2.0 board, and the spec sheet says 18 UBPs. Now, in a world where HDMI 2.1 is a thing, is 18 gigs per second still enough? Does it cover what people actually need?
That is the perfect question, and the short answer is yes, for almost all professional work. 18 UBPs is the magic number that gets you to the most important visual benchmark. We're talking 4K UHD at 60 Hertz with 4.4.4 color.
Okay, the 4.4.4. Let's pause there. That seems like the critical piece of information. Tell us more about that.
It absolutely is. So 4.4.4 means full color fidelity, no shortcuts. You're sending every single piece of color data from the source to the screen. There's zero compression.
So when you see other specs, like 4.2.0, that means data is being thrown away.
Exactly. Lower chroma subsampling, that's what we call it. It's a way to save bandwidth, but you lose color information. For a high-end home theater or a professional review studio, 4.4.4 is just not negotiable. You need that accuracy.
Right. But pushing that much data, 4K 60, 4.4.4, that has to put some strain on the system, right? Like, are we talking about cable length issues?
You should be thinking about it, definitely. You need good quality cabling, sometimes active cables, for anything more than a short run. But it's not just about the cable, it's about security, too. This board supports HDCP 2.2, which you have to have for any protected 4K content.
Okay, so the signal integrity is there. How easy is it to actually get this board into the Matrix hub?
Oh, it's seamless. It's designed with these quick-release fittings, so you can literally just slide it in or swap it out. No tools, no major downtime. It's a huge plus for installers.
That's great. Now, what's really interesting to me is that it's not just about the video. The audio specs here are pretty impressive.
Yeah, audio often gets forgotten on these things.
It says it supports all known HDMI audio formats. Dolby True HD, Atmos, DTS HD master audio. So this isn't just a video card.
Not at all. It's a full high-fidelity media transport.
Yeah.
That kind of audio support is aimed squarely at luxury home cinemas or, immersive corporate boardrooms where the sound has to be just as perfect as the 4K picture.
Let's shift over to the logistics for a second. The part number is PRO-OUT2H-V2, and it's listed as TA compliant. Why does that matter to an integrator?
TA is a big deal for anyone working on government or certain large corporate contracts. The Trade Agreements Act, it basically certifies where the product is made, and it's often a strict requirement for getting those kinds of jobs.
Okay, and this is where it gets urgent for anyone listening. The price is listed at $384. That comes with a 5-year warranty and free shipping in the U.S. Great value. But there's a catch.
There is.
The documentation says limited QDs as going EOL, end of life. So the window to get these is closing.
That's the strategic problem, right? You're buying a fantastic high-speed solution for a modular system. But you have to plan for that EOL status from day one.
So let's wrap this up. We've got a high-performance, easy-to-install output card that delivers perfect 4K video and audio. But here's the final thought for you to take away. If these individual modular cards are going end of life, what does that mean for the main Matrix hub they plug into? It raises a big question about planning for the long term, for maintenance, for getting spares, or for future expansion. That's the real homework you have to do here.